In this series, I go over the structure of songs with over 500 million views. I do this because I'm currently doing that kind of analysis for myself, and I want my songs to have that many views in the future. So I just thought I should share my findings with you. Today's song is Justin Bieber Company, 561 million views. Now, 8 bar warm up, 8 bar verse 1, 4 bar verse 1.5, 8 bar warm up, 8 bar chorus, 2 bar verse 2, 2 bar verse 2, 4 bar verse 2, 4 bar verse 2.5, 8 bar warm up, 8 bar chorus, 8 bar chorus with added variety, and then 8 bar warm up. Now, the first 8 bars is a 4 bar melody repeated twice with slight variances. The effects used are echo and moderate lyric repetition. Verse 1 is a 4 bar melody repeated twice with variances for the second quatrain. Verse 1.5 is a couplet melody repeated twice. The chorus is, vowel singing, takes a bar and a half. Verse 2 is 4 bar melody repeated twice. Same melody as verse 1, but different lyrics. There is a switch in the instrumental to keep the composition fresh, just to let you know. Verse 2.5 is a couplet melody repeated twice. It's the same lyrics and melody as verse 1.5. The chorus is same as prior chorus. And then chorus with added variety is the same chorus but has an added bar on repeat for richness. The lyrical content is about casual hookups. The tone of the lyrics is conversational. So this is a pretty standard structure. You start with the section you do before the chorus. Then your verses are one 4 bar melody repeated. Then you get into a section you repeat right after your verse. So when it comes to the verse, it's one 4 bar melody and a repeat with different lyrics. Then it goes to the repetitive 4. The repetitive 4, a couplet melody repeated. The chorus is just a melody with one vowel, very memorable and easy to sing along to. Then you repeat the whole thing one more time, so verse 2, 2.5, warm up and chorus. Then you repeat the chorus again and end with the section you started with, the warm up. That's it. Let me know if you find this helpful or not, because if you don't, I'll just do it for myself and not post it. You can like or comment or something. I don't know. I hate to be that guy, telling you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your mother about me, all of this. But, just let me know whether you find this helpful or not somehow, some way. Anyways, man, thank you for watching.